Ladies, you all know that Easter is just around the corner, and today I'm going to be showing you the perfect dress for Easter day, either going to the church or to the brunch, or you're going out to hang out with friends and family, because this dress is very appropriate. It's going to fit into several occasions, and also you can style it up or you dress it down. But today I'm going to be showing you the features of the dress. Also, I'm going to be doing the try on all for you. Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you the perfect dress for Easter outing. Either you're going to the church, to hang out with friends, to brunch. It's very appropriate for every occasion. It depends on how you want to style it. Either you want to style it dress down or dress up. So without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. And this is the dress I'm talking about. Look at that. It's really pretty. I really love this. This is the light mint green. I chose this in this color, and this is size small. This dress is by Dress Tell. I partner with them on Instagram, so I thought I should bring it to my ladies on YouTube as well. So this is how this dress is looking. It came with a belt. You can use this belt for so many things. You know me, I could tie it on my head, I could tie it on my purse just to go with the dress, or I'm gonna just lose it and use another belt entirely just to make it look different. This dress comes in 19 colors. Yes, 19. We have the plain colors, and we also have the ones that are flowering pattern design on their website. The sizes range from extra small to 3 extra large. So we all have our feet in this dress, and it's very pretty. I love it. It has this zip at the back. There's zip at the back right here. The upper part of it is lined like this. So it's going to help you to give that smooth silhouettes from this area to this part of your body. I believe that is why this one is lined. It's lined inside, but it's not lined all the way down, and it's not transparent. You cannot see. Can you see me? Peekaboo, I see you. No, you cannot see me. All right, so it's not transparent like so. No pockets. It's airline dress, and it's just as simple as it is. So let's go ahead and give it a try. And don't forget, 19 colors, extra small to 3 extra large. Some design are plain color, and while some are patterned with flowery pattern or design. Check Dress Tell out. You will not regret it.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. Nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby.
Alright, ladies, this is the end of this video. I hope you all enjoy watching it. Please let me know your comments in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.